Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. It really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? It is a 1/2-inch drive impact socket set. So this was sent over by a company called SK. And as you can see, it's gonna come in this nice little case here, which keeps everything nice and stored. Simply open it up and it's a set of 30. So you can get plenty of the different types of sockets. The set is also, like I said, you can leave it in the case, or it's got these two little hinges. You can pull it and then separate it out. And so now you got easy to carry trays, which you can also store in your workbench if it doesn't fit as a closed case. So it's very flexible when it comes to that design. Now, as far as the set itself, like I mentioned, it is a 1/2-inch drive. They're all made out of cold steel, cold rolled forged steel. And then as you can see, they got this little black coating on here because it's got a nice anti-rust coating to it. And as you can see, also, they're very easy to read as far as the millimeters. This is a metric setup system here. So you're gonna get essentially 14 deep sockets, in which kind of shows you what this looks like. They are a 6-point system. So as far as utilizing it, it works really, really well. You got the standard connection on the back end to go ahead and hook up to your socket's wrench. But as far as the deep size, you're gonna get anywhere from 10 millimeters all the way up to 24 millimeters. They're about 39 millimeters in length as far as the deep socket version. Then you're gonna have 16 shallow sockets, which are from 8 millimeters all the way up to 24 millimeters in length. Overall now, as far as utilizing it, very, very easy. Like I said, it's got that anti-rust case to it, but you're gonna have a perfect size, whatever you need, it's gonna probably be in here. They're all very easy to read, very easy to use. So if you are in the market and you're looking for a great impact socket wrench set, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something that I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys, take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.